Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Q Familia. Today we are back with a new video which is inspired by a flower called Dahlia Pinnata. This flower was uploaded on a channel called AS Flowers and Nature World. You can find practically every type of flower that you can imagine on this channel. I would definitely recommend you all to check it out. Like the videos and subscribe to the channel. I will put the name of it in the description below. So after being inspired by it and loving it at first sight, she is now going to create it on a canvas. Making this was a very lengthy process. It took about 6 to 7 hours to create it. But it was worth it, as you'll see at the end, because it turned out even more beautiful than the picture itself. As you can obviously assume, this tutorial will be posted fast forwarded, so it's not that long and it's not that boring. For all those artists who are watching this video, or even if you're not an artist and want to replicate this art project, don't worry, we are going to put the color's name and the sizes of the brushes in the description below, as well as in the video, so you can paint it as you watch this video, or you can paint it in your own time later on. I'm sure by now you've noticed that my mom is mixing a lot of different colors to make different shades so she can enhance every petal and create a much more realistic view of it. At this point, my dad went and bought my mom her favorite cardamom tea so she can take a breather while she's painting and don't get tired out. She is almost done with her canvas painting and I am already so in love with it. I admire this so much. Actually, you know what? This was so loved by all of my mom's friends and family members that one of them actually even asked her if they can have it and she gave it to them. The actual painting is practically done by now. She's just adding some last final touches to make it nicer and add some more details to it. And of course, signing off your art piece so it stays yours and nobody else can claim your hard work. And we're done. This is the final result. I love it. I hope you guys love it as much as we do. As you can see, each petal, each leaf, each strand, everything required a huge amount of patience, hard work, and fine detail. Here was the original piece, the inspiration, and here is the painting. I think it's pretty similar. It's a great job. I'll give it a solid 10 out of 10 to be honest. I hope you like this vlog. Please like, subscribe, and share. Bye.